The British Ministry of Defense just trolled Vladimir Putin's claim that Russia had not even started in Ukraine. The ministry tweeted Russia was deploying worn-out and lightly armed MTLB personnel carriers, long considered unsuitable for most frontline infantry transport roles. It was originally designed in the 50s as a tractor to pull artillery, has very limited armor, and only mounts a machine gun for protection, the intelligence update reported. The outdated tank was designed as a Cold War amphibious tractor, capable of carrying 10 soldiers in its cramped and airless hold, as well as a driver and a gunner. It comes as Moscow deployed its feared Arctic Fleet's 200th Motorized Infantry Brigade to plug a manpower gap in eastern Ukraine. Military experts pointed out previously that the brigade had been involved in a battle near Kharkiv and lost a large amount of equipment. The brigade was now made up of reservists, volunteers, and servicemen from military police, coastal defense units and sailors from ships. This cobbled-together deployment reflects the dire compromises Russia has had to make to reinforce their armies in Donbas 4 months into a war that's believed to have killed more than 30,000 of its troops. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.